Hi, I'm Turk Strongman at Thurankyu Amaturaka. Thank you for selecting this first in a series of videos about drug addiction, recovery, and relapse prevention, and their relationship with personal evolvement. Before getting started, I humbly request that if you like this video, please give it a thumb up, and that if you haven't done so already, then please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and share the joy of this channel with others. Now, hardcore drug addiction, or addiction to hard drugs, will dramatically dampen your abilities to move away from consciousness hijacking and to perception deception, and will correspondingly dampen your abilities to move toward personal evolvement, self-mastery, and true selfhood. So if you have interest in those latter constructive affairs, but such addiction hinders your ability to actualize relevant results, then recovery from addiction and prevention of relapse are in order. You may even consider recovery and relapse prevention initially to constitute developments along those above stated constructive lines. And while some more direct tools of self-mastery and the like might assist your early recovery and relapse prevention work, more likely they will overcomplicate that early work. Better to maintain your early focus on your addiction affairs. For most people, this focus will involve a formal drug recovery program. Truly effective programs are preferred over the abundant rest of them, but are hard to find, and they usually are inpatient, lengthy, and expensive. Regardless of which you get into, the general points that I propose here are the same. First, it is important to understand that addiction, recovery, and relapse prevention involve all areas of your life. We can summarize those areas as biological, social, psychological, spiritual, and behavioral. Some programs boil the summary down further, such that addiction, recovery, and relapse prevention are a biopsychosocial affair. However we break things down, though, the point is that addiction involves all aspects of your life, and so effective recovery and relapse prevention must involve them as well. Second, as a person in a formal program who is interested in moving away from consciousness hijacking and perception deception and toward self-mastery, personal evolvement, and true selfhood, avoid talking about those interests in the drug program. Experience has shown that such talk is unwelcome there because such talk at least appears to jump the gun, so to speak, and to demonstrate lack of focus on the matter at hand, and to violate the often stated principle, keep it simple, stupid. Excuse me. Try to avoid bringing outside matters into the program, even if you think those outside matters are essential to your personal approach to the program's goals. Avoiding such talk, though, might seem a hindrance to your overall objectives, and you might feel compelled to engage in such talk anyway. Well, these can be frustrating for you. It will help you if you consider that keeping such talk out of the program is in fact your secret way of pursuing self-mastery right then and there. For you will be practicing restraint, which is a key method in developing your use of willpower. You furthermore will enhance your ability to control your attention, which is your primary mental tool in doing any and all personal development work, including your drug program work. This consideration does not overcomplicate what you currently are doing in the drug program. It gets more out of what you're currently doing already in the program anyway. Your simple awareness of this fact makes it all work more effectively and will lay some foundations for your later self-mastery practice. It also, early in the game, ties together your drug recovery, and your overall interests. To summarize, get into the best drug program that you can afford, then control your attention to hone in on it, while quietly considering that in so doing, you already are laying some groundwork for your pursuits outside of the program later on. And you will do so in such a way that keeps the two essentially tied together throughout your life. Please stay tuned for more in this series. And again, thank you for selecting this Tharine Q Ramacharaka video. Please remember the thumb up and so on, and comment if you like. I'm Turk Strongman. Be well.